Let's talk about print on demand. Right now, thousands of business are available on internet. But why print on demand? Print on demand right now is very popular business strategy. It's kind of e-commerce. So, first thing first, what is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model that allow you to sell custom product without keeping inventory. And then how it works. You design the product, list it for sale, and then a print on demand service handle the rest. When a customer orders the print on demand service, package and ships the product direct to the customer. How you can start print on demand? First of all, you have to pick your niche. What is niche? Niche means that what the category that you want to work with. For example, you can pick t-shirt or mug and then choose a platform. Right now, thousands of print on demand provider available. For example, Spring for t-shirt or Fort Wallet for any kind of print on demand. So you can pick anyone. And if you want to learn more, stay tuned. I will publish a specific video with all the specific topic. And then you have to create your design. Design mean you probably understand print on demand is a design for mugs or for t-shirt. So you can pick any design. So if you are designer, then you are welcome. You can easily design that. And if you are not, then you can hire someone and you can make a designer from them. And then you can upload it and you can make your own product. And then set up your store. Use website to sell your product. So website means landing page. When you have couple of product, then you need a website that for display. You have to upload all the product in one place and then promote it. And then connect your store. You have to link your store to the port provider and then start selling. Promote your store on social media or ads or influencer to get client. And when you get the order, you can get profit. And keep in mind, you just have to upload your design and have to do sell, and rest of the thing will handle your pod provider. So if you want to learn more about that, then stay tuned. I will publish video about that. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.